In this video, we will learn about the perimeters of different geometric figures. Here we have a rectangle ABCD and we know that the perimeter of any closed figure is equal to the sum of length of all of its sides. So we can write perimeter is equal to length AB plus the length BC plus the length CD and plus the length DA. So we are basically going all around this particular rectangle and coming back to A once, forming a closed figure. Now since this is a rectangle, AB is equal to CD and DA would be equal in length to BC. So we can write this as AB plus BC and CD can again be said as AB and DA can be written as BC. So what it essentially looks like now is twice of AB plus BC. And AB is nothing but the length L of this rectangle. And BC is nothing but the width or breadth of this rectangle. So, if we just mark AB as the length and BC as the breadth in this formula, then we get the perimeter of the rectangle as twice the sum of its length and the breadth. Now, let's find out the perimeter of some other figures. Here we have a square and we know that square is a special case of rectangle where the lengths of all the sides are equal. So, the perimeter of a square would be A plus A plus A plus A. This is equal to 4A, which is nothing but 4 multiplied by the length of each side of a square. Now, if we take an equilateral triangle ABC as shown here, and let's say each of the sides is measured as L since this is an equilateral triangle. So the perimeter of this triangle would be nothing but L plus L plus L. So the first L is here, then here, and we found a closed figure. So this is nothing but 3 times L or is equal to 3 times length of the side of the triangle. Now you see that in case of a square, it is 4 times the side and for an equilateral triangle, it is 3 times the side. So we can use this to extrapolate it to other figures such as a pentagon or a hexagon or an octagon as well. And it's simple that in case of a pentagon, the perimeter would be 5 into the length of each side. For hexagon, which has 6 sides, it will be 6 into length of each side. And for octagon, it will be 8 into the length of each side. So if you have a regular figure such as the square, an equilateral triangle, a pentagon, a hexagon, or an octagon, the perimeter is always going to be the number of sides into length of each side.